Hey, my name's Isaac, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create this website. Instead of spending literally thousands of dollars to get someone else to do it for you, you're going to be able to take pride in knowing that you have created your very own website. And this is not just going to be some average run-of-the-mill website that you see all too often on the internet. This is going to be a clean, modern, and beautifully designed website that is fully responsive, meaning it will scale across all devices. What's more is I'm going to be showing you how you can get this website up and running, including purchasing a domain name and setting up hosting for just over $1. Yes, you did hear me correctly, $1. I know, some of you are probably sitting there thinking, well, that sounds way too good to be true, and if not, it's probably illegal. Well, it's not too good to be true, and it's definitely not illegal. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it. So essentially, by the end of this video, you're going to have yourself a website that looks like it's worth thousands of dollars, but will only cost you a little over $1 to set up. And what's even better is that this website could potentially make you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in the years to come. Thousands of dollars for a small price of a little over $1. That is pretty much the definition of a smart investment. Now I know some of you are sitting there thinking, but Isaac, you don't understand. I'm so bad with this sort of stuff. I don't even know how to properly use my computer, let alone build my own website. Well, you're in luck, because I've created this tutorial to be as easy to follow and understand as possible. I'm going to walk you through step by step with absolutely no steps skipped of how to build your very own website. From purchasing your domain name, to setting up hosting, installing WordPress, installing your own theme, right up to fully customizing your website so that it is uniquely your own. What once took hours and hours of coding just to create a heading can now be done simply and easily using a program called WordPress, which is literally used to make some of the biggest and most popular websites on the planet. So if you're ready, let's get into it.